Here's a brief explanation of major key signatures using sharp keys. Major sharps. First thing you need to know is the order of the sharps, which is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. You need to memorize that. And then you want to practice writing it as a key signature: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp. You can write it in the bass clef as well for practice: F sharp, C, G, D, A, E, B. Every major key signature uses the same ordering of sharps and starts from the left and adds sharps as we go. So for example, 1 would be F sharp. Key signature of 2 sharps would be F sharp, C sharp. 3 sharps would be F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, etc. Okay, so let's talk about the relationship between the key signature for a sharp key and the name of the key. You also need to know that C major has nothing as its key signature. We don't need these parentheses. I'm just showing you that so that you can see that there's nothing there. Okay, let's try A major. This is how you get the key signature for A major. Think about A. Think about the leading tone to A. G sharp is the note that leads to A, the closest possible note. We can call G sharp the leading tone. All we need to do is go through the order of the sharps until we hit G sharp, and that is our key signature. So, the relationship between the final sharp of the key signature and the name of the key is that the final sharp is the leading tone to this. Let's try another one. Let's do bass clef, E major. Okay. E major, the leading tone to E major is D sharp. It's the closest note underneath it. So we write through the order of the sharps until we get to D sharp. F, C, G, D. That is the key signature of E sharp. Again, the relationship is the final sharp in the key signature is the leading tone to the name of the key. We can also use this to figure out what a key is from the key signature. If you're given this as a key signature and it's a major key, look to the final sharp. This is C sharp. C sharp is going to lead you to D. Therefore, that's a key signature of D major. I'll do one more of those. If you have this key signature, F, C, G, D, A, look at the final sharp. That's an A sharp. A sharp leads you to B. This is the key signature for B major. The order of the sharps, if you go through from 1 sharp to 7, you get C has 0, G has 1, D has 2 sharps, A has 3 sharps, E has 4, B has 5, F sharp has 6, C sharp has 7. We can write the sharps underneath this. So for any of these key signatures up here, if we want F sharp major, we have this as the key signature from F sharp to E sharp. And we can double check because E sharp is the leading tone to F sharp. That same relationship holds for every one of these keys, which are the sharp keys.